Hi peeps, so today we'll be learning the normal distribution. Okay, now the normal distribution in statistics, this is about, okay, a normal distribution is a distribution of a continuous random variable whose graph is a bell-shaped curve called a normal curve. The equation of the normal curve with a mean represented by mu and a standard deviation represented by the symbol is given by this formula, where the value of pi is given by 3.141592, and then for the value of e, that is 2.71828. Now, what are the properties of the normal distribution ba? And what is the representation of the normal distribution? Okay, so let's find out. The properties of the normal distribution are listed below. But first, let's be acquainted of what or how does the normal distribution curve looks. Now, this is the graph of the usual normal curve. We must align the mean, the median, and the mode between on the center of the graph or of the curve. And then there is an equal distance between, I mean, there's equal distance, that is the one standard deviation, another two standard deviation, three standard deviation to the right, and then the other side you also have one, two, three standard deviation from the mean. Now, what does standard deviation mean ba? Ano bang ibig sabihin ng standard deviation? Um, in layman's term, standard deviation is how far is how far is the given data from the mean? If ang usual na average height, say for example, the usual average height of Filipinos, say that is 5'4", and then your height is just 5'3". Therefore, we can say that you are one standard deviation to the left from the mean. Yung, ayun, one standard deviation ka na mas maliit kaysa sa usual na average height ng mga Filipinos. That is it. But later on, you'll get acquainted with the standard deviation, the normal curve, as we look into more examples about the normal curve and the standard normal curve. Pero later on na yun. Okay. Now, so again, that is the things about the normal curve. Now, let's get acquainted to the properties now. Okay. Its curve is bell-shaped. When we talk about normal distribution, we must always see a curve that is in bell shape. Para siyang bell yung the structure of the given curve. Now, please take note that dapat this side will not touch the horizontal line. Parang they are almost parang malapit na sila pero they should not and will not touch. Otherwise, the the curve is not correct. Yan. Its curve is symmetric about the y-axis, meaning if I am to draw a line on the center, sorry for my not straight line, the left side here is equal to the right side. Ayan, symmetric. Next, the mean, the median, and the mode coincide at the center of the distribution. If nandito yung mean mo, dapat nandyan din yung median and mode mo. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Say for example, ang mean is 5. Dapat din ang median mo is 5 and the mode mo is 5. Yun. Next is the next is this. Is the distribution, dapat the distribution is unimodal, meaning dapat isa lang yung mode niya. Say for example, the mode, yung pinaka nagasigig balik-balik na number is 5, dapat yun lang talaga yung mode niya. Kasi dapat the distribution is unimodal. Next is the curve is asymptomatic with respect to the x-axis. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na dapat yung horizontal line natin dyan sa baba must not touch the line of the curve. Otherwise, the figure is wrong. Asan ba ang minamin ko dyan? Eto ulit siya ha. Bawal dyan sila mag-touch. Bawal mag-touch ang line ni curve at saka yung line ni x-axis. And for the last property, the total area under its curve is 1. No less than 1, no more than 1. Dapat exact 1. The area under its curve is 1. Now, um, let's understand also the area under the curve. Kapag ang area is 1 standard deviation from the mean, either from the left or from the right, you will have 68.3% na area of the data. Pero kapag 2 standard deviation from the left or from the right, and from the right, there is 95.5% of data. Tapos pagka 3, that is 99.7% of data. That is the most common lang naman ng mga standard deviation. And this one is the constant thing whenever you are dealing with the normal curve, the normal distribution. So I guess that's it for the introduction for the normal distribution. If you have any concerns or questions about this presentation, just kindly comment down below and don't forget to like the videos. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.